5171. 321-5171. Carolina's photography is yours.
Photo17.com.
This is the invoice for that radio commercial. We tell you how you can do it for $0 as well. Right after the intro. Woo! Hey y'all. Welcome back to the show. It's Jaeger from Photo17.com, the online home of Carolina's photography. So for anybody who's offering photography, you've got one of the most tradable things that you can possibly have, especially with a business that doesn't do photos, such as a radio station. Now, why would a radio want pictures and things like that? Well, they've got an online presence to take care of. This probably wouldn't work if you're going to somewhere like a TV station who's got cameras or a camera shop. So leave those off the list. Now, through the years, I personally have traded between $500 to $1,500 at once on radio advertisement. But bad news, photography commercials routinely don't do well on the radio. Good news is it's a chance for you to get very creative with what you're doing. All the rules are not set in stone. First things first, you gotta do some writing. Use an app called Final Draft to write in, but that by no means is necessary. A pen and paper will get the job done. Second thing is you gotta do some recording of your audio. Now, full disclosure, I've had access to a radio station working off and on there for years, but I like to use a Tascam. That taser-looking Tascam DR40 to be exact, I place it inside the bed sheets to stop the bounce of sound, and it's also got XLR inputs, just like those used in radio. Third, it's time to do some audio editing. I still use the now defunct Soundtrack Pro because it came with a $1,400 app and I'll use it if I darn well please. First thing I like to do is get the limiter set up on my audio clips to try and smooth out some of my audio inconsistencies at first. The next step, I'm going to go into Space Designer, which makes it sound like your voice is emanating out of some big room or a hall or something. Listen for that the next time you listen to any song on the radio. And for the final step, I'll put a peak limiter on everything, setting it at 0 dB. Now wait to hear those nice, warm, and fuzzy, sweet "I heard you on the radio" comments start rolling in. Now keep in mind, you do have to sell yourself to the radio station, so make sure that your website presence and your grams and all your social media is looking good and sharp. If you get a no, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Just move on to somebody else and maybe hit them back next time. And if, by the way, they do say no, offer them a discount on a photo package. And get things in writing. This is a business after all. So do us a favor and click like on this video. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And if you don't like this video, do us a favor and click like on this video. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will talk to you in the next Carolina's photography video.